Hello! Today we're diving into the world of natural metabolism boosters, and I'm taking on a 7-day challenge with a special drink carrot and ginger juice. We all know the struggle of a sluggish metabolism, that feeling of being stuck, no matter how hard you try. But what if I told you that a simple juice could help fire up your metabolism, boost your energy, and even aid in weight loss? Over the next week, I'll be incorporating this powerful juice into my daily routine and documenting the entire journey. We're talking about the good, the bad, and the surprising. Stick around to see if this juice lives up to the hype and learn how you can try it too. Welcome to the Academy of Vitality and Health. Here we focus on helping you live healthier, teach you about your health and body, feel amazing, and improve your lifestyle. Join us on the journey to vitality and well-being. All right, guys, let's talk metabolism. It's the engine that keeps our bodies running, controlling everything from energy levels to digestion. But here's the thing. A lot of us are dealing with a slow metabolism, and it's beyond frustrating. You're eating clean, hitting the gym, doing all the right things, but the scale won't budge, and you're constantly feeling drained. That's because your metabolism is like a fire. It needs the right fuel to burn bright. When it slows down, everything slows down. Think about it. Your digestion gets sluggish, fat burning takes a hit, and even your mood takes a nosedive. But don't worry, there are natural ways to reignite that fire. And that's where our dynamic duo, carrot and ginger juice, comes into play. We're going to break down why this simple juice can make a world of difference. Trust me, after this video, you'll want to add this to your daily routine. This isn't about quick fixes or fad diets. It's about giving your body the tools it needs to function at its best. So, are you ready to learn how to boost your metabolism naturally? Let's get into it. Let's break down why these two ingredients are a match made in metabolism heaven. First up, we've got carrots, packed with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. These bad boys aren't just good for your eyes, they're also amazing for detoxifying your body and keeping your digestion running smoothly. And a healthy gut equals a healthy metabolism. Next, we have ginger, the spicy superstar known for its thermogenic effect. What does that mean? It literally turns up the heat in your body, increasing calorie burn and giving your digestion an extra kick. Studies have shown that ginger can boost your metabolism by up to 20% for a short period after you consume it. No wonder it's a staple in so many metabolism-boosting drinks. But the real magic happens when you combine these two powerhouses. It's like a 1-2 punch for your metabolism. And the best part? It's all natural and tastes amazing. All right, guys, time to put on your chef hats. This recipe is so simple, you can practically make it in your sleep. All you need are 3 ingredients: 3 large carrots, a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger and half a lemon for that extra zing, and a boost of vitamin C. First things first, give those carrots and ginger a good wash and peel. If you're using a blender, chop them into smaller pieces. Otherwise, you can juice them directly. Now, squeeze in that fresh lemon juice. It really brightens up the flavor. Next, add a splash of water and blend it all up. If you prefer a smoother texture, feel free to strain the juice, but I like to keep it real and enjoy all the fiber. And there you have it, your very own metabolism-boosting elixir. Okay, so I drank this juice every morning for a week, and here's the lowdown. Days 1 and 2, I felt super refreshed and way more awake in the mornings. My digestion felt lighter, and I didn't feel as bloated. By days 3 and 4, my metabolism was definitely feeling the effects. I had more energy, and I noticed that I wasn't craving as much junk food. My cravings were actually starting to change, which was pretty amazing. Days 5 and 6 were all about that next-level energy. I felt lighter, my digestion was on point, and I even noticed a slight decrease in bloating, probably due to the improved digestion. And by day 7, I felt fantastic, lighter, more energized, and overall healthier. Remember, consistency is key, guys. You're not going to see a difference overnight, but stick with it for the full 7 days, and you'll be amazed by the results. Don't just take my word for it. Let's talk science. Remember how we talked about ginger's thermogenic effect? Well, a study published in the Journal of Metabolism and Nutrition found that ginger actually increases thermogenesis, which means your body burns more calories naturally. Pretty cool, right? And then there are carrots, which are loaded with beta-carotene. Our bodies convert beta-carotene into vitamin A, which is crucial for a healthy metabolism and efficient fat burning. But it doesn't stop there. The combination of fiber and antioxidants in this juice is like a superhero team for your gut health. And a healthy gut is the foundation of a balanced metabolism. So instead of relying on those sugary energy drinks or questionable fat burners, why not go for something natural, effective, and delicious? Your body will thank you. So after 7 days of incorporating this juice into my routine, here's the bottom line. I experienced a noticeable increase in energy throughout the day, which was a game changer. Bloating and digestion issues? Gone. My digestion felt so much smoother, and I didn't feel as weighed down after meals. But here's the most surprising part. My appetite felt more balanced. I wasn't craving those sugary snacks and processed foods as much. I was naturally reaching for healthier options, which was a huge win. Would I recommend this juice? Absolutely, 100%. It's simple, affordable, and a delicious way to give your metabolism that much-needed boost. Alright, health nuts, now it's your turn to join the 7-day challenge. Let me know in the comments if you're down to give it a try. I'm curious to hear your thoughts. Have you ever tried carrot and ginger juice before? What was your experience? Share your stories in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more health tips, and smash that notification bell so you never miss an upload. See you in the next video.